Do it what you think. And not think what to do it. Repeat it. Do it what you think. And don't think what you have to do it. To do it without thinking. One of the biggest champions of the past, recently passed, and I always admired him. And he was a Latin champion. He's even no ballroom champion. Was one of the main Latin champions ever. Italian. He won 10 times world champion. So you understand. And we are friendly because we are dancing together always. He's Italian, I'm Italian, you know, same generation. So each Sunday we have a competition together. So we talk him many times. And I always admired him because he was like a machine. He never stopped it, he never something searching, he always something searching, he always going through. And he told me one phrase one time, as a family, that he made me thinking a lot. He told me, Valerio, you don't have to practice till when you feel is good. You have to practice till when you feel that you cannot mistake anymore. It's a difference. If you do a natural turn, if you do 100 natural turn, after 100, you feel that it's very good. But this is the first point of the limit. The second point is I have to do again the natural turn. Till once, I can't mistake anymore. So it means that my body are in situation that even if somebody push me or my partner is out of balance or I feel pain or whatever it is, I can't mistake.